Room 7610 on the Jewel of the Seas.
Hi, Noreen here from Cruising with the Ryans. We are on the Jewel of the Seas. It is June 16th, 2025, and we are in room 7610, which is an accessible balcony cabin. When you walk into the room, on your left is a very large closet. It's got life preservers, a shelf which has our robes on it, plenty of hangers, and it's got shelves and a safe. And the hangers can pull down if you are not standing up and you're seated in a wheelchair. So you have access to your clothes very easily. And then next to the closet is the desk. And the desk has 6 drawers. It's got a pull-out shelf, which I can't pull out, and 2 cabinets for storage. It's got a European outlet, a regular outlet, and I've plugged in my USB outlet there to give you enough places to charge up your phone and iPad and all your devices. Then next to the doors is the cooler, which, as you know, is not a refrigerator, it's a cooler. It's about a 45-degree temperature. And above that, the TV that slides out and is easily accessible for your HDMI ports if you wish to connect anything to it. And then there's a cabinet above with 3 shelves and plenty of storage. We then have a couch and a chair and a table, coffee table, and a lovely view of our balcony and Port Everglades, because that's where we are today. We're in Port Everglades. So on the balcony we have 2 chairs and a table. And then on the other side we have a chaise lounge. So it's a spacious balcony. It's not square, it's an odd shape, but it's very nice. Then we have the bed, 2 twins that convert into a sort of a king. On either side there's a nightstand with a drawer and a cubby hole. And on this side there's another cabinet with the phone and drawers, but there are no outlets next to the bed. There's just a cord to pull in case of an emergency. And then there's a bar here in case you need assistance getting in and out of your chair into the bed. And then this is the accessible bathroom with the pull chain in case of emergency and plenty of grab bars. It's got a great shower with a regular shower head overhead and a handheld shower down there and a bench to sit on if you need to. And then the bathroom also has a sink and 1 cabinet for storage of your necessities and plenty of towel racks and all the goodies. So I hope you liked this tour, and I want to remind you to hit that like button and hit subscribe. We're trying to get more subscribers all the time so that we can bring you more videos. But we appreciate you watching. Thank you and have a great cruise.
Hi, this is Dennis. Remember, smooth sailing and have great vacations.